This is the authentic Ghanaian chicken light soup. Here I'm using chicken wings for this recipe. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. And if you are new here, consider it by subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let's get into the video. Here I have my chicken wings washed and clean. These are my ingredients. I have onion, garlic, ginger, basilicum, parsley, tomatoes, carrots, spring onions, bell peppers for this recipe. I blend everything together and then add it to the chicken wings. I use a little bit of salt for taste. Okay, added some small water and allow it to cook. So we check on the soup and it's cooking beautifully. I have to stir so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. So I stir everything and it smells so good. This recipe is so short. Okay, so here I am adding in my tomato paste, and I have 2 tomatoes and I have 1 carrot, and this one is kohlrabi. Okay, that's the vegetable I love so much. So here you can see that the tomatoes is cooked. We have to bring it out with the other ingredients and blend everything together. This is my carrot. So we are going to blend everything and we have to stir again. See, the soup is looking yum 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 and it smells so good, guys. So here I blended everything together and then added it to the soup, and I add some water. So I add water to it. Depending on how light I want my soup, I cover it, stir again so it doesn't get stuck. So here it is cooking beautifully, and we taste for salt. So when you taste and it's not good, you adjust it. Okay, guys, and here is my green pepper. This is the mini green peppers I have for flavor and also for color. Okay, if you don't like it, you can skip it. So our soup is already done. All left is for us to enjoy. Okay, so we are going to serve and then we are going to eat. It looks so beautiful, smells so good, the color is so nice. Okay, so here I enjoyed mine with some fufu, potato fufu, and guys, the kids love it so much. So here we are serving and we are going to enjoy. If you like what I am doing, kindly give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you've not, and comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until then, enjoy and see you in our next video. God bless you and have a wonderful time. Bye.